Hello everyone, welcome to ICT Math. This is chapter 3, part 12, absolute value equations practice questions. So concepts we have covered in the previous video. If you have not watched that video, I would suggest you to go through that video first. So here, let's start with the first question. It says, which of the following expression is equal to minus 1 for some value of x? So we have to see which of the following is equal to minus 1. Which one will give the minus 1 as answer for some particular value of x? So let's say if you put it equal to minus 1, so we can say if you take the 6 on the right hand side, so modulus of 1 minus x is equal to minus 7, not possible. Here also if you put equal to minus 1, so modulus of 1 minus x is equal to minus 5, which is not possible. If you put it equal to minus 1, so modulus of 1 minus x is equal to minus 3, which is not possible at all. So the last one, this is equal to minus 1 over here, so we can say modulus of 1 minus x is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So we can open it with the 1 or 1 minus x equals to minus 1. So from here x equal to 0 and from here x is equal to 2. So either if you, which of the following expression could be equal to minus for some value of x. So for x equal to 0 also this expression is minus 1, and for x equal to 2 also this expression is minus 1. So option B is the correct answer. Which of the following could be the value of x? A very easy one. We can open it by two cases. Although you can substitute the value by option, you can also do. Suppose if you put negative 6, so 2 times negative 6 is negative 12 plus 7 is negative 5, and absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Yes, option A is satisfying. This is correct. Option B will not be satisfying because if you put negative 4, so this will become negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1. If you see, if you put the option C, negative 4 plus 7, this 3, which is not working, and if you put the 0, 0 plus 7 is 7, 7 is not working. Or if you want to solve this, 2x plus 7 equals to 5, or 2x plus 7 equals to negative 5. So 2x equals to minus 2, so x equals to minus 1. Minus 1 will also work, and 2x equals to negative 12, so x equals to negative 6. Both of them will work, negative 6 and negative 1, but negative 6 is given, so that is the correct answer. For what value of n this is equal to 3? So this thing is equal to 3. So directly you can say this particular part, absolute value of 3 minus n should be equal to 0. And if absolute value of 3 minus n equal to 0, so this is 0. So n is equal to 3. So if you put n as 3 over here, this will become 0, and 3 minus 0 is 3. So for n is equal to 3, this will work. For what value of x this is equal to minus 1? Again, absolute value of something cannot be equal to negative, so we will say there is no such value of x. Very easy. The graph of the function f is shown in the xy plane. For what value of x is the value of fx is at maximum? So when we say value of fx is maximum, this graph is going downward over here. The only maximum point over here is the vertex. You can see this particular vertex. This is the maximum, rest it is going downwards. So for what value of x? This is 1. So at x equal to 1, this is maximum. And if I say what is the maximum value? 1, 2, 3, 4. So at x equal to 1, it is saying for what value of x is the value of fx is the maximum. So at x equal to 1, it is maximum. And if you want to find the maximum value, that is equal to 4. At x equal to 1, it is maximum, and the maximum value is 4. So I hope you have understood all the questions. So if you have any other doubt in any question, connect with me over this my WhatsApp number or on this mail ID. Thank you for watching.